Internetul sau World Wide Web-ul sau WWW este un mediu cunoscut pentru vulnerabilitatea sa și pentru amenințările care răspândesc calculatorul. Odată cu trecerea anilor, hackerii au fost supuși în umbră de programe de malware sau viruși. Software-ul antivirus este folosit în general pentru protecția, prevenirea și eliminarea virușilor de computer, viermilor și cailor troieni. De asemenea, pentru a combate aceste amenințări, au început să apară programele de tip antivirus. Ce este antivirusul? Antivirusul este un software pentru computerele personale, a cărui scop este găsirea și distrugerea virușilor sau altor programe asemănătoare cunoscute sub numele de crimeware, malware, rootkit, ransomware, spyware și așa mai departe. La ora actuală, există o serie de programe antivirus pentru fiecare buzunar. Acestea sunt doar câteva exemple, fiind probabil cele mai cunoscute nume de pe piață, cum ar fi Avast, Kaspersky, Bitdefender, Panda, McAfee, Norton și AVG. Acum vă prezint câteva material video a acestora. Vizionare plăcută!
The internet never sleeps. Morning, noon, and night, millions of people are working, playing, and connecting online. While the internet grows, serious cyber threats are growing along with it. Avast makes the world's most popular internet security software. And we've built the largest global cybersecurity network to keep you protected, no matter the place, whatever the time of day. We analyze data from our 400 million users and use next-generation detection algorithms based on artificial intelligence and machine learning to detect and block threats in real time, anticipating and stopping attacks before they do damage. Every month, Avast prevents over 1 billion malware attacks around the world, all without ever slowing you down. Whatever you do, wherever you connect, morning, noon, or night, Avast keeps you protected online.
When it comes to IT security, many companies talk about next-generation technology. At Kaspersky Lab, we've been building it for more than a decade, with next-gen technology that is in the very DNA of our award-winning cybersecurity solutions. Because of our depth of experience in IT security, we understand that cyber threats are a moving target. To combat them, we gather and analyze threat data through Kaspersky Security Network from participating users all over the world, giving our technology a worldwide perspective on evolving cyber threats that is unique in the industry. We then take this intelligence and apply it to our technology in order to protect your infrastructure before the attack ever hits your system. As a result of this global perspective, Kaspersky Labs products have a wider field of vision than other security products, searching for patterns to anticipate how the attack is going to unfold, not just where it exists right now. So while other IT security products aim at a moving target and miss, Kaspersky Labs' advanced multi-layer technology is already there to wipe out the threat on arrival. Our technology employs 30 layers of protection that provide an assessment of the whole timeline of threats as they develop. Because of this multi-layered approach, we have a spectrum of decision-making points that protects your whole system, not just the endpoint. This means that your users aren't denied access to where they really need to be while being protected against the areas that pose the greatest danger. But all of these are simply the fundamental tools you need to protect your company. It's the people behind our products that truly differentiate Kaspersky Lab. With 1/3 of our staff dedicated to R&D, Kaspersky Lab gives its customers a powerhouse of threat intelligence and security solutions that is unmatched. And with the analysis and predictions of Kaspersky's global research and analysis team, you get the insight of global cybersecurity experts built right into our products. Give your
It's so simple and yet so powerful. It's instant. It's global. It's an intelligent worldwide security network, engineered to offer the same unbreakable protection anywhere on Earth. Don't leave safety to chance. Go with the best.
Sophisticated threats, including zero-day and yet-to-be-identified malware, mask themselves to evade detection, sometimes even hiding behind legitimate applications. So how can you protect better against threats you don't know about? By tapping into McAfee Real Protect and Dynamic Application Containment. Innovative, reputation and behavior-based protection that helps you not only prevent damage, but also automatically track and adapt defenses to protect better. Rather than relying on threat signatures, known malware properties and behaviors are collected and trained into a machine learning model that uses statistics to match malicious attributes to identify previously unknown threats. In action, Real Protect compares file attributes and convicts threats before they execute. But what if a threat arrives that doesn't match known malicious threat models? Real Protect also monitors the application to make convictions based on its behavior. Dynamic Application Containment defends against suspect software by monitoring application behavior for malicious intent, limiting its ability to make changes, and containing the first instance of malware to prevent it from spreading. Combining multi-stage detection with dynamic machine learning based on every interaction, protection is continuously strengthened. And when used with McAfee Threat Intelligence Exchange, real-time threat data can be shared across the enterprise to adapt and protect better. So, better protect your enterprise.
Your digital world continues to evolve. So do we. And we believe that the more connected you are, the more protected you should be. Norton Security is the best of Norton, specifically designed to protect all your devices, today and tomorrow, no matter what they are, how many you have, or how often you upgrade them. Norton Security, so good, it's backed by our 100% guarantee that helps keep you virus-free or your money back. With patented technology that's always on, providing security that's custom-built for each device. Whether it's safeguarding all of your personal information on your smartphones and tablets in case they're lost or stolen, or protecting your laptops and desktops from online threats or identity theft, we've made it even easier for you to choose Norton. With Norton Security Standard, protect your favorite device. With Norton Security Deluxe, you get to mix and match your protection on up to 3 or 5 devices. And with Norton Security Premium, you can protect a family of up to 10 devices and back up your personal information on your PC to a secure cloud. You can also teach your kids about healthy screen time and safe online habits with the included Norton Family Premier. Best of all, no matter which tier of Norton Security you choose, rest assured you're getting the most powerful protection Norton has to offer. And when your digital world expands and you need to add more protection, seamlessly upgrade Norton Security and only pay for what you use without having to restart your subscription. Powerful enough to protect all your devices and flexible enough to grow with your changing needs. Protect it all with the best of Norton. Get Norton Security today.
With so much going on in your life, wouldn't it be great if things could just be simpler? Imagine what it would be like if everything could be taken care of with the click of a button. With AVG, it's easy to stay protected online. As well as protecting the people you care about. No matter how many devices you might have between you. Whatever your device, we've got you covered, all for free.
Care este rolul antivirusului? Rolul unui antivirus este de a crea un perete care să oprească aceste amenințări, virușii, de la a se răspândi în calculatorul dumneavoastră și până la a vă afecta munca. Antivirusul este util în păstrarea intactă a datelor, vă economisește mult timp, bani și vă permite să vă desfășurați activitatea fără bătăi de cap. Cam atât despre virus și antivirus în acest video. Nu uitați să ne susții cu un like dacă ți-a plăcut, să dai un share pe Facebook să afle cât mai mulți, să te abonezi și să apeși pe clopoțel ca să fii la curent cu postele pe care le fac. Ne auzim în următorul video.